I forgot to, oh, I did. Okay. Good morning, beautiful people. It's Ginny, learnwithginny.com, where you can find more free training. So, today's topic, how to sell stuff. And what made me bring up this topic is as I'm scrolling and looking at people's timelines, I'm seeing you posting your stuff. Just posting your stuff, posting your products. You're probably getting very little sales from that. So, 3 little tips, okay? Number 1, no neediness and no chasing people down. Last night's webinar was so much fun, but we were telling stories about some of these salespeople that chase you down. And one story that sticks in my head is my friend Diane walks into a store and this lady is like, this would look so nice on you and this would look nice with this, and just kind of following her around the store. And I don't know about you, but I wouldn't even want to go in because I want to be left alone. I mean, think about it. When you walk into a store and the salesperson is right away, what can I help you with? And you're like, nothing, I'm good, I'm just looking, right? You just leave them alone. So no chasing them down and no neediness. Now, I know that some of us in business get a little desperate because we're like, we need the money, right? I understand, I get it. But you have to set that aside because your whole purpose is to serve your customers. Think about your favorite stores, your favorite places to go. It's usually a place where you feel not threatened. You don't feel like anybody's chasing you down. You enjoy going there and seeing the people and talking to the people because they're helpful. My favorite bait shop gives me fishing tips, tells me where the good spots are and where to find, where people are catching fish. He doesn't chase me down and try to sell me the latest and greatest fishing rod or whatever. So that's number 1. Number 2 is focus on what your product does for you and does for your customers, not on what the product is. Example, weight loss supplements that I use. I could tell you all of the wonderful ingredients and that they're all natural and that they come from plants. Do you care? I don't care what's in them and what, I guess I do in a way because but what I really care about are the benefits and the benefits of the benefits. For example, benefit number 1, my feet don't hurt. But that's mainly because I lost the weight, right? I didn't have to try hard. The cravings were gone. These are the benefits. Make sense? The benefits of the benefits are, the best part is when I got a compliment from my husband of 21 years. That's a benefit. And number 3, I actually have 4. I thought I only had 3 because I just thought of it. Number 3 is tapping in to emotions. And I just did that because that makes me feel good when someone I love notices. So this tapping into an emotion. I hope that makes sense. And number 4, I kind of mentioned earlier, is just helping people out. You're just helping them get what they already want, what they already desire. I hope that makes sense. Don't go around just splattering your products and what's in them and all that. Just don't do that. Tell some stories. And by the way, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel and get on my list, I share free training with you all the time. But on my YouTube channel, when I post this video, there will be a link to a storytelling training, and it'll help you. It'll help you be able to tell stories that grab people's emotions and help you sell more of your stuff that will help your customers. I hope you found that helpful. Make it a great day, and I'll see you next time. LearnWithJenny.com and check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe.